years ago, I got run over by a weanling stud.
She'd let the mare out of the pen, and the baby was still in the pen, so the baby gets very excited.
We were weaning.
And she was in the gate, and the baby just blasted through, hit the gate, which hit her and knocked her like 20 feet in the air.
Which my hip took the big brunt of it. We were in a situation where I couldn't really have it fixed.
This morning we're going to be doing a total hip on Arlene. She has left hip arthritis and she's developed collapse of her femoral head and has been in a lot of pain, especially over the last year. She came into the office a few weeks ago having severe growing pain. She feels like she's failed the non-operative treatments and elected to undergo a left total hip.
It's been a long time coming, and I actually can't wait to walk without hurting.
We chose to do this facility for the reason of her being able to come home tonight and sleep in her own bed.
We have a very good doctor, and when they said that we could come home the same day, we were like all for that. All for that.
We'll be doing the surgery today at Four Corners Surgery Center, and we'll be starting at about 7:30, and she'll be going home at about 11:30 to noon.
First got there, it was like do, and they just called in the room. It was one thing after another, and before I knew it, the anesthesiologist was in. I talked to Dr. Hancock, and then the next thing I know, the nurse is waking me up, asking me if I want cream and sugar in my coffee, and I'm like, yes. Too much? I don't think.
So I heard you're already running laps.
I walked all the way around and no limp, no pain. It's awesome. I can't wait to go home, but I have to pee before I can go home. When they told me to get up and walk, it was like, oh my gosh, my walker was there. I'd been practicing on that.
So same thing, right? Keep that toe kind of out or straight.
Yeah, because I'm used to having it like this, and now I have to walk normal now. No hands even. And there was absolutely no pain. It was like such a relief. Oh, jeez, this is so cool.
Woo! Bravo.
Everybody was so cool and so much fun and comfortable, you know.
She wanted to take a nap. I told the nurse, I said, well, she wants to take a nap, so I'm going to run home and feed the animals and I'll be back in an hour or two. And he goes, oh no, that ain't going to work.
She's getting up.
She's getting up and she's getting out of here. And I thought that was great because it was like, that's perfect. Get her up and let's go home.
Yeah, I thought he was going home, and next thing I knew, I was going home with him.
Hello, my name's Robbie. You're at Four Corners Ambulatory Surgery Center. This is Arlene. She's had a total hip replacement today. And she's doing outstanding. Her anesthetics are wearing off. As you can see, she's already walked up and down the hallway and is about to graduate to get to go home.
This surgery, getting my hip fixed, is going to give me my life back. I have been disabled for 2 years, and it's gotten to the point to where I have no life. I can't get out, I can't do anything. So when this is healed, it's gonna be game on. I have a lot of puppies coming. I have a lot of baby horses coming. We have a lot to make up. This is gonna free him up and give me my job back.
And my caddy. Yeah, we used to enjoy walking our dogs every day, and with her injury, I'd have to walk 2 at a time, come back, get 2, go back, until we get through the whole kennel, and she'd sit at home because she couldn't walk.
There was no pain, and I think that was the best thing out of all of it. It was pain-free, stress-free. It was just comfortable. I was ready for it. It was a big relief, and we paid for it, but it was worth every dime.
I think a lot of the perception is if you want to find good quality or high-end quality type physicians, you have to go to the city. And once she found this facility, it was like,
Game on.
yeah. And it's so convenient.
I just have high hopes of everything, like 10 days, go away, walker. 12 days, see you, toilet riser.
Yeah, I bet it's sooner than that. This place is like our business because we change people's lives when we hand them a puppy.
Yeah.
Now they've changed her life by handing her a new hip. And it's kind of a big deal for us.
That's my experience with the surgery center. I loved it so much I'm going back. The 26th for my right hip to be done. And I'm so excited that I get to do it with my people.